Did you know you can use the loop yarn to add hearts onto your chunky knit blanket? Yes, I'm going to show you how you can do that with the loop yarn to add hearts on your chunky knit blanket. So you need your loop yarn. Of course, you need some scissors. Then I'm going to show you what you do with the lighter. I don't know why. I love my lighters. So when you get your loop yarn, you want to count five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 loops, and you trim. It's going to be in multiples of five. Then when you have the five, you want to split the two ends so you have a tail. That's why you're splitting the two ends. Just those two. You split the two ends, you still have three in the middle. Okay. Now let's say I want to add this heart here. Yeah, I already added. Let's do it down here. I want to add it here. So I'm going to grab the middle one. It's three, right? I'm going to grab the middle one. I'm going to loop it from behind. Okay, I'm going to loop it from behind. Uh, let's add it here. I'm going to loop it from behind. Goes in here. Come up. Then the next row up, not on the same row where this one came out from. The next row up, I'm going to push the first one. Number one, this is the row we're working with. So it's going to come up here. This is where the middle one is. We're going to leave that. Then go to the one adjacent and bring out the third one. So you have something like this. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to loop them together onto the first one, like how you make a star. Loop it onto the first one, then grab the second one, loop it onto it again. Make sure they are close together. Then you want to grab one of the tail, it doesn't matter which one, grab one of the tail. You push it from where the first one went out from. Push it from here. This is so you can use it to anchor all the loopings. Grab it, make sure it's tight, and then push it back again from the same hole, from the same one. Push it back, make sure it's tight, tidy it up here so it looks good. And then you go ahead and tie this together. Okay, when you're done, you trim them off. Try to trim it. I like to just use the lighter to burn it, just so it doesn't start unraveling, because if not, it's going to start unraveling from where you trimmed it. And just like that, you have your heart just with a loop yarn instead of using the chunky yarn to do it. I don't see any difference in it. I actually find it really cute. Let's say we want to add another one. You have five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You split the two ends. Now you have three. Okay, we're going to add that one up here. Yeah, let's add it up here. So you find where you want to add it. Take the middle one first. The middle one goes in first. Then the one to the right goes up, not on the same row. Remember, it goes up. Then the third one on the same row where you have this one, just adjacent to it, not in the middle, because this one is already in the middle. Adjacent to it, you bring that one up. You want to make sure you have everything coming out so you don't have troubles finding it. Then you go ahead and loop them onto the first one. Now go back, find a tail, push it in through where the first one came out from. Make sure you're working with the same one so you can be able to anchor everything together. Okay, make sure these ones are together and not having any gaps in them. Then push it back. Once you anchor it, you push it back through the same hole. Now you are going to tie them together. Okay, tie it, trim it off, and just a little bit so it doesn't start unraveling. And there you have it. See, it's really cute. I really like this. I really like how it's coming out. Let me know if you let me know. I really like this. I really like how it's coming out. We can continue adding the hearts like this, or you can use the chunky yarn to add it. Either way is cool. I just thought about this and decided to share because this is a baby blanket that I just made, and I was like, maybe we can add some hearts to it. What do you think? Do you like this one or do you prefer the other method? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time on another tutorial. This is what it looks like behind where we added the hearts. This is what they look like behind. I'm going to trim this off and do the same thing here. I wanted to show you real quick. This is what it looks like behind, and this is what they look like in front.